And this is a trap door with a handle. Yeah, I think it does.
Be careful.
I don't want to break it, that's the only thing.
No, don't break it.
No, I'm not going to risk it. But it...
that, love you.
Eh?
I don't trust that, love you.
Yeah.
That's some weight in that wheel.
There is a bit, isn't there?
We can send the ROV through here.
Yeah, straight down there.
Is there access over there?
You could stand here. We can all stand here quite safely, and we can operate it from here. Then we can all sit together and operate it from here.
No, is there a way in over there?
No. Well, yeah, underneath this, we can send it down.
Yeah, I don't want to be under that. I'll do it from here.
Okie dokie.
Wow.
Whoa, I love this trap door. That's quite something. And I was wondering what this was, and it's just the top of the ladder. So, are we going to stay at your side, or are you coming over here?
Stay here, yeah.
Stay over there. Okay, I'll come back now. Crash.
Look, it's all piping.
Oh, there's the ladder, yeah. There goes the ladder. Beg pardon?
Look, it's all flexi type piping. It's almost like Victorian cable tidy.
Now then, that is the compressed air hose that connected the manifold to the drills.
Wrapped in steel.
Yep, that's it.
So it would bend.
Like a steel coil around the air hose.
Protect it.
Yep, and make it flexible. So there used to be a tap on the air receivers, and then they would connect the hose from the air receiver to the drills, and then they would drill. I love the light bulb socket up there. That's really cool. Just imagine this being actually lit with electricity. That's just hard to imagine.
Look at the underside of that, look.
Yeah.
So the cart came up to here.
Yep.
Empty that.
Empty it in.
Drop that down.
Yep. So it comes out through the hatch here up the shaft. A man at the top here, or a child, would manhandle the kibble over to this side, and then open the base, and then into the wagon. Out it goes. Yeah.
Do you reckon I'm on false floor?
Yeah. Yes. No pressure.
Solid.
To be honest, the timbers are in very good condition. They were over there anyway. Famous last words. And there's a massive lever here to open the valve for the compressed air pipes.
Wow.
The big handle here to open the valve.
It's amazing. There's something here, like some sort of valve outlet or something.
Yeah, there is too. Well, do you see this massive handle here?
Yes.
To open the tap.
Haha. So cool.
Whoa. It's just so different to what we're used to, isn't it?
It's definitely one of the coolest things I've seen in a while.
Oh, and look at this. It's a launder for the water, to carry the water out. So this is the pump. So the water was sucked up through this pipe into the launder, and it drained down there and out. There it is. Yeah, there's a launder. So the pump would have been electric as well.
Shovel head.
Oh yeah.
Look at that.
Yeah. Yeah.
Aha.
So yeah, electric pump pumps the water up the pipe and into that launder, drains down this way, and then trickles back out along the adit.
Let's get this ROV down there.
Okay, let's do it. There's the ladder, look at the ladder. Wow, look at that. So the trapdoor I was looking at is just on top of that.
Yeah.
Ooh, yes. Look at that. With the pump, the pumping pipe, the rising main, over on the left.
Let's have a look down.
Ooh, yes. Oh.
Watch the wires.
Yeah. Okay. Get out with water dripping on my head here. Okay.
So when we were out with this last, it seemed to have lost control of itself.
It was really odd, wasn't it?
It just needed resetting.
Okay, good.
There's the manway.
Oh yeah, look at the solo there, the changing platform between the ladders. There's our lights.
Yeah.
God, so cool. So cool.
Right, okay, against the wall, trying to figure out where it was.
Yeah.
There it goes.
Down we go.
Getting dripped on.
There's another solo there.
Yeah. Look around. There's a level.
Oh, yes.
Is it?
It looks like it. Looks like it. Oh no, maybe not. Not yet. Not yet.
No, it's not.
How many meters? 8 meters. Yeah, not yet. The first one should
you know
be.
About this mine deal already. You know how many
Yeah.
levels were in you?
20 fathom level is the first one.
Right, let's go somewhere. On my foot.
There are at least 2 levels down here. We're not far away from them. Another nice solo there.
So have a quick look around.
Yeah.
Is that a chain or the pipe?
I think it's a pipe. I think it's that pumping pipe.
Here's the level.
Ah.
See the way it's opening up.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Oops, turned the torch off. It's very
Very wide, isn't it?
very misty down there.
Yeah, it is a bit. Let's follow the ladder because that'll take us to the floor.
Can't see it.
It was around there on the right.
Why is it so cloudy?
No idea.
It's very cloudy. There's the
Yeah.
ladder.
Ah, there's a ladder, yeah.
Double check that is a level. It is, isn't it?
It's hard to tell. I can't see if we're right way up or what. That's looking back up.
My bearing.
Yeah, it's hard to
Just
see
like
what's
that.
going on.
Just like that, gone wrong.
Jeez. Okay, well that's down anyway. Let's carry on down.
That's a tight squeeze.
Can you go over the ladder the other side? There's more room over there, isn't there?
The visibility is very poor down here.
It is.
Let me get back up.
Yeah.
Go back up and turn around. So I'm in something.
You're in an alcove, yeah, because that's the way back up the shaft.
Let me go back up here. Right. Let's turn it around. That's up.
That's up. So let's stick to the ladder so that we don't get lost.
It's a big chamber, you know.
It's a big stope, isn't it? Where's the ladder gone now?
We're getting rained on in the ground.
Yeah. Let's just keep going and see what we find.
I don't know which direction now.
That way, right a bit. There we go, head down there.
Can't see anything.
Ah, right. There's another platform.
The underside of a platform. There's boulders on it.
Hmm.
I'm gonna have to go back up to get my
Get the bearings.
bearings. I don't know if it's up or down. That's up.
That's up, yeah.
Right, let me go back up a bit.
Yep.
Whoa. Right, let's try and go up.
Yeah, and it clears up now.
Going funny again.
Can you just stick... Oh, is it?
Yeah. It's got a mind of its own. Where's up? Where's up? It's
There.
Can you pull in slack, please? Right, okay. Right, okay.
Okay.
I'm kind of tight now.
Okay.
Let's just stick to the ladder and don't leave the ladder.
Yeah. Right, let's try again.
Yeah.
That was funny, folks.
That was weird.
The ROV had a mind of its own,
Yeah.
spinning around in circles for some weird reason.
And the visibility is so bad.
Yeah.
Why is it bad down there?
No idea.
There must be flowing water.
Yeah, we're stirring it up.
There we go. If you go round so that we're looking at the rungs of the ladder. There we go, and just go straight down now so we can see which direction we're going in. Hopefully we won't get lost.
Okay, the soap sitting there.
Okay, there's
At the bottom?
something, isn't it? Oh, yeah.
It is.
16 metres, yeah, that's...
We're at the bottom.
Oh, that's something.
That was doing its own thing again.
Ah, it's clearing up. Ah, it's clearing up.
What's down here then?
Let's keep going.
It's a level.
Yes.
No, it's not. It's a collapsed level, is it?
Yeah, what's... I can't tell.
It's doing its own thing again. I think we're at the bottom.
To the left. Yeah, that's all. Oh, it's over there. Yeah, we are at the bottom, aren't we? Yeah, there's a tangle of old ladders and stuff.
Which is the way up? Can you pull slack?
There it is.
Right, so visibility is very poor down
It
there.
is.
And I think we're at the bottom.
Question is, which way does it go?
Get back out of that mess.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Right. And we're back out now. And it's not reacted to anything. Right, there's something up in this ROV, you know. It's
Temperamental.
very. Not.
What are we looking at there? What's that?
That's one of the platforms. That's the ladder. So we're actually sideways right now. Yeah.
Right.
So that's looking down. Yeah, there it goes down. What about that pipe? Where does the pipe go? Because that's a pump. That'll go to the bottom.
Well, it's doing its own thing again. Not responding to anything. What's up with this thing? Let's send it down there, yeah.
Yeah, let's follow the pipe
I think
this
the level
time.
goes there to the left.
Yeah, let's try that. Yeah, it does look like it's going to go to the left. Like through there.
I wonder if there's flowing water, because there's bits in the water.
Yeah, it
there was
could
already
be.
bits in the water when we got down
There was,
there.
yeah, we didn't disturb anything. So to the left, let's try to the left. That way. Yeah, because there's the pipe.
It's out of control again. Well, folks, sorry about this. But the ROV's playing out.
Is that the floor?
Yeah. That's the pipe.
Let's go that way.
That's the pipe.
Yeah. Let's go left and along the floor. Yeah, I think that's the level.
It's spinning around in circles.
There's the tracks.
Mm-hmm. I'm not doing this.
No. Right, that way.
Doesn't want to go that way.
Jeez.
It's not doing it.
No, hang on, give it a moment.
Why is this ROV playing that?
Right.
We're in a level,
Yeah.
but it's not clear. Can't see where I'm going.
No.
Unfortunately. Well, shame the ROV started playing up, and the water was very misty down there, wasn't it?
Even if the ROV was working properly, I don't think we would have seen much.
No.
Because it was just, well, it was lost all sense of direction. It was so misty. At the end there, we got to what appeared to be into a level that was partially full of wood, timbers, wasn't it?
Yes.
There was a level there, but it was so misty, we wouldn't have seen anything until we were actually on it. So it wouldn't have been very good quality.
Too risky to lose the ROV.
Yeah.
But it was interesting what we've seen. Those ladders are pretty cool.
The ladders were lovely, and the pump pipe going down.
And all this, yeah.
Yeah.
Look at it.
This is superb. I love this head frame.
So Johan's in the process of digging out some levels in a secret location, and we will go and film them very soon.
We shall indeed, yes.
And they'll be up on the
Almost
channel.
ready.
They'll be up on the channel. And
Big one?
they'll be up on the channel very soon.
Absolutely, yeah.
And,
so we'll have some more newly reopened lost mines. And incidentally, there's some levels up in the same area there that are completely flooded that we could send the ROV along as well. I wonder if sending it along a level might be easier. Well, I don't know, maybe
It's full of sensors, and I'm wondering if the sensor's sending it nuts by going vertical straight down.
Yeah, with all of these obstacles around.
When I float it in flat water, it goes fine.
Yeah.
Yeah, and with all these obstacles, who knows?
Yeah.
But thanks
We'll try the level and see if that makes any difference. Yeah. Anyway.
Thanks for watching, and all the best to you.
Yeah, ciao for now and see you soon.
Don't forget to check out Mudlark to Art. There she is. You must check out Mudlark to Art.